Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking down your source and intent. Do you want a live mic take or a TTS voice? Once decided, pick the voice character, natural or stylized. Set pitch and speed so it matches the video mood. Make sure tools are installed now. The editor, the TTS engine or plugins, and codecs for WAV or MP3. Check sampling rate, 44. 1 kHz versus 48 kHz. And note file formats to avoid resampling problems later, because quality loss is costly. Now you place the voice on the timeline and align it to picture. Add markers at phrase boundaries to maintain rhythm. Once aligned, refine with EQ to remove muddiness, light compression to even levels, and de-essing if sibilance appears. Add a matched reverb subtly to glue voice to the room. If timing needs tweaking, use small time stretch adjustments, 1 to 3% max, so lip sync and cadence remain intact. Keep checking against the visuals as you go. Finally, export with matching sample rates and sensible bit depth, 16 to 24-bit, and choose a bitrate that fits delivery requirements. Test the exported video on headphones, phone, and speakers. Listen for level jumps or codec artifacts. If problems appear, first check phase and alignment, then confirm you didn't resample incorrectly. If a TTS voice sounds off, try another voice profile or adjust prosody settings. One key tip: always keep a backup of the synced project before major fixes, so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.